Welcome back, my friends. Today we are going to drill a well. As I mentioned, today we are going to drill a well. Why? What is the reason why we would love to connect our house to the well and not to the official water distribution? Two basic reasons. First one, we do not want to be dependent on the prices of the water and if it's working, if it's not working, and blah 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 blah. Yeah, so as soon as we have our own well, we have own water source, and we are able to use the water how we want to use it. Second one, that we have also the technical obstacle here in the local village, because here in the woods is a huge water source. This water source is used for water supplies for all cities around, and because they would love to have the as high level of quality of the water as possible, they applied the glass pipes here, my friend, glass pipes. And it's really risky and problematic to connect to this kind of pipes. So we would love to avoid these obstacles. We would love to avoid the cost of the connection. We would love to avoid also, as I mentioned, the dependency of the official water source. So yeah, it was for us. For sure, 100%, we would love to have a well. So today, it's the day. So the drill tower is already prepared, and now they are preparing this huge air pump. Yeah, because they have the technology that the drill tower is connected to the air pump, and the really high pressure air really is emptying the drill out earth from the hole inside. So we will see. I'm really curious about it. Preparations are done. Look, drilling tower ready. Pump is also connected. Pump is down there. And now the guys are finishing this huge pump through which the air with the earth and potential water will come out from a drill hole. And then you are able to start. So 6 meters and the first water, but it's still not that one which we want to achieve, because this is like a surface water and we need like an underground one, the filtered one, which we are able to drink. So we continue. we are already 20 meters down. We hit the underground water, as you can see here, and we agreed we will pull it till 30 meters to have also some buffer of the water. And yeah, my friend, it really looks awesome. So the last pipe, it will be 30 meters down, a lot of water down there, and as soon as it will be drilled, then they are going to apply these water pipes to the hole. It's like 125 milliliters thick pipe, and the bottom ones has the perforations because we would love to catch the water inside of them. Through these perforations, the water will go inside the pipe, and there will be a pump, and it will push the water up to my house. Yes, my friend, I'm super glad it's only 30 meters, I can tell you. And we have a lot of water. The guy told me that we can open the aqua park. Now guys are filling the space between this tube and the hole in the ground with the specified gravel. Yeah, it's really like a really small stones, yeah, to really have kind of the natural filter for the future water which will enter the pipe. The well is drilled, the pipe is also inside with the perforations. They also put the really little stones around. Now guys are packing, and I will show you as soon as they leave. I will show you how the well look like, and then I will also tell you what is the next step for us with the well. And this is how it looked like after all this work. Just the pipe in the ground for 2,175 euros. But guys, I can tell you, look, it's a cost for my life consumption of the water for whole house, so definitely worth it. We are not dependent, yeah, and yeah, that's it. So now I think the guys will apply the water pump inside the pipe, and now we have to pump all water out and clean it till everything will be just like, you know, drinking water. Well is finished, well is done. So I'm super happy that we have independent water source for our future house. It's as a dream for me. It's super rich water source. It's like 35 cubic meters per day of the water in the well. So amazing, insane. I'm super happy. Also, it's only 29 meter deep. So the cost was really low and really good. 2,175 euros, what is absolutely insane price for like a all water for lifetime. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so absolutely awesome. We also apply the water pump down there. Now we are going to pump the water like straight for the 2 days at least, because we would love to clean the water to have really super crystal clear water for drinking. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, we finished. So if you like our video and want to really support us, super important thing for us, give us a subscription, give us a like, share the video, leave a comment, and we will see each other in next video.